Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. My name is Oliver and today I'm doing my first collab with Erik Weber. And plug your Instagram.
Jerome Lieberher.
Erik, plug your Instagram.
Eric Point Weber.
Okay, so I met these guys through Instagram. I think we met during a live stream of Daniel Schiffer. We both got our videos were shown in the live stream, and then we just looked at each other's videos, contacted each other, saw that we're both in Nice or near Nice, and then we decided to meet. And it's totally crazy, but we met and we're now gonna jump off this cliff. We've been the whole day here in Nice, and yeah, now we're just gonna go cliff diving, and I don't even got my swimming shorts with me, so I'm just gonna go in my normal shorts, and I'm gonna regret this, but the footage is gonna look awesome. So we're now gonna jump, and yeah.
For now, a little bonus tip. We're gonna shoot some portraits later. All you have to use is your camera, a low light lens, a prism, and some neon signs. So basically all you're gonna do is hold the prism in front of the camera and then just like play around with the prism, and then your subject is going to be in the foreground, and it's gonna get some really cool reflections.
And now we're gonna take some pictures of him. He's gonna stand up here with the neon sign in the back, and hopefully I don't hit anyone with my camera.
Also make sure you have like a light source. With that light we can get like really good lighting in our faces.
So it's not completely dark, and this lens can do a nice low light aperture, but you still need a little bit of light, and also a wide open aperture so you can get some nice bokeh, and then this effect will also work better.